Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to use a Pro Metronome app. So before that we have to install it. So go to Play Store, search for Pro Metronome. So here it is, and we have to install that app for using. So once installed, we can open it. So here we have more options. So first let us see the beat. So when you click here, there is this one. Here you can see the beat and the note. Okay, so first let us go from the basic Aditalam. So Aditalam we have totally 8 beats, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So totally we have 8 beat. So here it is already 8. So in case if you have some other number, you can increase, so you can plus to 8. So here you can either increase or decrease the beats. You can, the adjustments can be done here. Here the note 2 4 8 16 32. So you'll have like this. So we can set for 8. So 8 beats and 8 note. Okay, and then just you click here. So the table will disappear. And then here next we can set the tempo. So what tempo, you can just click on tempo and you can set the tempo to your whatever tempo you want, either like 35 or like 40. So whatever tempo you want, you can, whatever tempo you want, you can just set it. So I'm choosing 40 and click set. Okay, so you can either make adjustment of tempo here, or this one you can, when you move towards the clockwise, the tempo increases. Can you see? And when you move this round toward anti-clockwise, the tempo decreases. So you can make here also the adjustment. So I'm setting it to 40. Okay, and next, now Aditalam, wherever we are getting beat, there we have to fill this bar. Okay, so in Aditalam 157 is the number where we get the beat. So here first is already in a beat. So when you click on the bar, it either decreases or increases. See, you just see, when you tap on that bar, so it decreases and it also increases. So 1 is already filled, 2 3 4 and 5 is already filled, and 6 and then 7 we have to fill it. So you just tap on the bar. So now it is full. So now we have set the talam 157 and totally 8 beats for Adi talam. And next for tone, we can go to settings here. Here you can find the tone. So we can, whatever tone you like, you can just set it and you can just play and see whether you like that tone or not. You can just change the tone if you're not liking. Can you observe the tone is changing?
1 2.
So whatever tempo, whatever tone you like, you can set it. So this is good. And for, you can note that for talam you can find the different tone. Observe properly. Can you observe it? And here if you want the pendulum, you can click on the pendulum. So you will see the pendulum moving here and there. If you don't want, you can just click the other option. So for talam alone, you will see a blink here. So whatever option you want, you can just if you're clicking one, and then you can find the color, different color for talam and for rest of the beats. So I'm clicking it to 3 or pendulum, so whatever. So 3 means when you're getting talam, you'll get a blink. So this is how we have to set for adi talam. And now I'm stopping it. So in case if you want to change the talam, so I'm going for ega talam. So ega talam will have 4 beat, that is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so for ega talam, then you have to click again beats here 8, so that one we have to change it to 4. And then note, you have to change it either to 4 or 1. And now talam is already in 1 2 3 is in a lagu is a count. So now we can observe 2 3 4 1. So if you want tempo to increase, you can just increase it. I am increasing to 60. Okay, now let us do for some other talam. For example, next we can try it for Tisra Jadi Tirupada Talam. So 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. So lagu and 2 rhythm. So totally 7 beats. So we have to increase the beat for 7. Increased. Now we have to, wherever we are getting talam, we have to fill the bars. So 1 2 3. So in 1 we are getting, and then 4 5 6 7. So in 4 and 6 we are getting. So 1 2 3 4 4 we have to fill the bar by clicking on that. And then here we have to fill it for 6. So 1, we can play and see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So like this it goes on. So for tempo you can increase here, or you can if you turn towards the clockwise it get increases, and if you turn towards anti-clockwise it decreases, or you can also click on the tempo to change the tempo. Okay, now I'm stopping it. So next we can see how to do the Rupaka Talam, how to set Rupaka Talam. So Rupaka Talam will have one rhythm and one lagu, that is 1 2 1 2 3 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So we have to click here. So either here or here also you can make the change. Even if you tap on this also you'll get this box, and here we have to reduce to 6. And this talam, that sharing the talam, what we can do, we can make the changes either by tapping this bar or here by tapping here. So can you see the same, wherever the bar is full you can see the different colors here. So you can also make the changes here. I'll also show here. So for Rupaka Talam, 1 and 3 will be the talam, that is 1 2. So already 1 is shaded, and then again 1 2 3 4. So in 3 we have to shade, and this 2 it should not be shaded. So when you tap on this, can you see the changes happening? So this should be in 1 only, and this also should be in 1 only, and now we have to shade it for 3. So when you click on this 3, you can see the bar getting full. Okay, so now 6 bar 1 we have done it. Now to whatever tempo we want we can adjust it. I'm doing it to 50 and play. 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 3 4. So like this we have to do. So if you want to reduce the tempo, you can turn towards anti-clockwise, or you can also tap here. You can also make changes here either to 30. So to whatever speed you want you can fix the tempo, and you can make it. So hope I think this video will be useful for you. If you like the way I teach you, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and get benefited. Keep supporting me. Thanks for your love and support. Thank you so much.